Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change a blog post thumbnail image in Squarespace. This is a great way to keep your blog looking fresh and visually appealing, especially if you want to update older posts or improve their click-through rates. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to change the blog post thumbnail image. This will open up the main editor for that specific site. Once you're inside, look at the left side menu and click on Website. Under this section, you'll see several options, but we're interested in Pages. Click on Pages to expand the menu, then find your blog page and click it. This will take you into the blog management area where you can control all aspects of your blog posts, including thumbnails, titles, and content. Now that you're in the blog section, you'll see the blog overview on the left side of the screen. This is where all your published and draft blog posts are listed. Scroll through and find the specific blog post whose thumbnail image you want to change. Once you've located it, click the three dots beside the post title. This will open a small menu with several options for managing that particular post. From the menu, click on Settings. This will open up the settings panel for that blog post, where you can adjust various elements like the post title, author, and most importantly, the thumbnail image. Here you'll see the current thumbnail displayed. To change it, click Remove Image first. This clears out the existing thumbnail so you can upload a new one. After removing the old image, click Add Image. A file browser will appear, allowing you to navigate to the location on your computer where your new thumbnail image is stored. Select the image file you want to use and upload it. Squarespace will process the upload and display a preview of your new thumbnail. Make sure it looks good and fits well within the frame. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. This will update the blog post with the new thumbnail image, and it will now appear wherever that post is displayed, whether on your blog overview page or in related post sections. Your thumbnail is now successfully changed, giving your blog post a fresh new look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.